everyone! Today I will be showing you how you can make a little wristless keychain. For this tutorial, you will need 3 ropes, and all 3 of my ropes are 5mm single-stranded twisted rope. I've cut 2 ropes about 10 feet long, and then my 3rd rope is measured about 20 inches long. Other than that, you are also going to need a little keychain. I am using a lobster claw style for mine.
Our first step is to fold our rope in half so we can attach it to our keyring with a lark set knot. And now when you fold your rope in half, you want one side to be shorter than the other. So mine is going to be about 3 times longer on one side than the other, and this is because we will be tying square knots, and if you're familiar with the square knot, then you know the middle rope doesn't lose any length when you tie this knot. So attach it to your keyring so that the shorter side will be in the middle. Then repeat with the other rope. Our next step is to then begin forming square knots down the 2 center strings to the desired length. Here's what it looks like when I have all my square knots done. I've made 25 square knots. Now go ahead and fold your keychain in half. So we're forming this nice loop, which is what our wrist will fit through. And send these loose ends through the keychain. Just like that. Now we're going to hold the top here together to secure with a gathering knot. So I'm going to bring in my other piece of rope and I'm going to fold it in half so I have a short piece of rope that sticks up, a loop that hangs below, and this long piece of rope. And I'm just going to place it directly on top of my project where I want to tie and secure it. Take the long piece of rope and just start wrapping it around everything. Once you've wrapped it as much as you want, stick that end through the loop. And then take the short piece of rope and give it a nice tug to tighten. Just like that. Now take your scissors and you can trim all these ends off. And you can also trim off that top piece sticking out. Take a tapestry needle to push in any remaining ends to hide them under the gathering knot. You can also use your finger, but it's just a little more hard to get all the little pieces in. So our little wristlet keychain is now finished. Again, you can make this a little bit bigger too if you would like more space for it to hang on your wrist. So that is a little personal customization you can add to your project. I hope you guys found this video helpful and inspiring, and thank you so much for watching.